Adjectives. Today's video is all about adjectives. How do we use them? Where do we put them? And kind of what are they? As you can see over here on this side of the video are some common adjectives like hot, cold, delicious, beautiful. Those are some common adjectives. Now, what is an adjective? Well, pretty simple. We use an adjective to describe a noun. Now, a noun is a person, a place, or a thing. So that's pretty straightforward. Now, there are some rules about where we put the adjective. So let's have a look. Here's number one. We can use a subject plus a be verb plus an adjective plus a noun. So quite simple. I can say Singapore is a hot country. Singapore is a hot country. Remember, be is am is are. All right. So we say Singapore is a hot country. A hot country. One hot country. Singular and plurals. Watch the other video. All right. This is delicious pizza. So when we talk about pizza, I don't have to say a pizza or two pizzas or three pizzas. I don't need to count that. So don't worry about a or an on that one. I can say this is delicious pizza. So the adjective always goes before the noun. Okay? Always goes before the noun. Hot country, right? This is country hot. No. This is pizza delicious. No. So think about your language, your native language. Does your noun come before the adjective or after the adjective? Think about that. If it does, tell me about it. Comment in the comment section below. Moving on. We don't always need a noun because the subject can be a noun, right? I know that Singapore is a country. You know that Singapore is a country. So I don't need to say Singapore is a hot country. I can just say Singapore is hot. Singapore is hot. Same meaning, Singapore is a hot country. Or maybe I'm talking about a book. I'm reading a good book, and I can say this book is interesting. I can say this book is interesting. I don't say this book is interesting book, right? I don't need to put the noun here, okay? So I can say this book is interesting. Now, common adjectives are colors, right? So if we think about this pen, right, I could say this pen is red. This pen is red. Now, I can put the noun here. I can put the noun here, right? This is a red pen. No problem. Also okay. So on this side, common adjectives is usually we have our colors, red, black, white, the White House. I'm wearing a white shirt, something like that. All right. Now, if I want to change the meaning of an adjective, I can use very, quite, or not very plus an adjective. So if we look at these three handsome men here, it's a beautiful picture. We have A, B, and C. Maybe I can say A is very tall, like Yao Ming or Shaquille O'Neal, right? They are very tall, right? I can say B, he's still tall. He's not very tall, but I can say he's quite tall. I can say he is quite tall. So I can say very tall or quite tall. And the last thing, maybe this guy, C, he's not very tall, right? So I just use not very. So very and not very are the opposite. All right? So that's pretty much it. That's how we use adjectives. Actually, there's a lot more to adjectives, but this is an elementary video. So stay tuned. Maybe you'll see something a little bit more advanced in future videos. So don't forget to subscribe below. Thanks for watching.